I went into depression. My health condition deteriorated, and I was not able to focus on anything. My weight gain happened such that I was 97 kgs. I can't believe that I was able to transform myself at the age of 41. My name is Srikanth. I am from Hyderabad. I am 42 years old and I work as a consultant for the state government. I stay in Sainikpuri, that is right next to the cantonment area where the Indian Army is stationed. The Army has been an influence on me, and right from my childhood, I've been an active kid. I've been to sports, I've been playing cricket and volleyball. I've also represented the sub-junior nationals in volleyball. After my 10th standard, I started going to the gym. Within 1 year, I started, participating in a small competition wherein I stood first in the bodybuilding. Then later, once I graduated, I started my corporate job wherein I was not able to find time, and slowly it became a lifestyle, and I was not able to go to gym. And from there, I was putting on weight a lot. And this continued for a period of about 8 years, and I could not pull myself to the gym. My weight gain happened such that I was 97 kgs, and this was till 2009. And then I got married, and within next 2 years I found myself still working in night shifts, and I was not able to focus on my health nor my family. Then I decided that I have to quit this job in order to do something so that I can maintain a positive health. After quitting my corporate job, I started a restaurant business, but later I ran into losses. Then slowly I went into depression. My health condition deteriorated, and I was not able to focus on anything. Later I thought about it, and I thought, my passion is towards fitness, and then I joined a fitness company as a fitness manager, worked there for 2 years. One day I received a call from one of my clients, and he introduced me to Fitter. That was in 2017, August. I started my fitness journey with Fitter in 2019, March, with Transformation Challenge 7. Back then, my weight was 97 kgs. I initially did not have enough nutrition knowledge, and I followed a keto diet, and I lost a good amount of weight. But little did I know that I was also losing my muscle. By the end of the Transformation Challenge, I lost about 8 kgs, but I was not looking good. After 3 months of coaching, my weight came down to 73, but unfortunately the COVID hit all of us, and I was working for half the salary, so I could not afford to hire a coach. And also there was no gyms at that time, and no proper nutrition, and again I started gaining weight. For the next 5 months, by the end of August, I gained about 8 to 9 kgs. In September 2020, I decided to enroll under Bala, and that was the best decision I ever took. And I got trained for the next 3 months, and in TC 11, I secured a place of top 250. Then in December, I got affected with COVID-19, and I had to take rest at home for the next 1 month. Then in January, I again started participating in TC12 after discussing with my coach, and I gave my best, and I again secured a top 250 position. Each day I used to walk about 12 to 14,000 steps, and that helped me a lot during TC13. I can't believe that I was able to transform myself at the age of 41, and I owe my success to Fitter and its expert level coaches. Stay consistent and disciplined, and the result will follow.